morning students. Let's continue chapter 7. Today's topic is combination, okay, or selection. First of all, the number of combinations of n different objects taken are at a time is given by NCR, okay, and it is given by NCR is equal to n factorial by r factorial in bracket n minus r factorial, okay. And you know that n factorial by n minus r factorial, it is NPR, okay. So NPR divided by r factorial, it is known as NCR. C for combination, okay. Now let's take an example that what is combination. Assume that there is a group of 3 lawn tennis players, okay, X, Y and Z. A team consisting of 2 players is to be formed, okay. So students, we can make a team by taking X and Y, okay. Another team by taking Y and Z, and third team by taking X and Z, okay. So 3 teams are possible, okay. Order doesn't matter, it means that the team XZ or ZX, it means it is only one team, okay. Same as YZ or ZY, okay, XY or YX. So by 3 players, okay, team consists of 2 players. So the combination is 3, 1, 2 and 3. So this combination we can find by taking 3C2, okay. And now moves for the next, some result related to combinations. First, NC0 is equal to 1. When you apply the formula for NC0, it is n factorial, and here n minus 0 factorial, okay, and r means here it is a 0. So write 0 factorial. Now solve it, you will get n factorial will cancel to n factorial, and 0 factorial means 1, okay students. So directly you can learn this result. Second, NCN is equal to 1, okay. So for this also you can apply this formula and get the same result. NC1, it is n, okay, and NCR is equal to NCN minus r. So for this, let we are taking 8C3, okay. Now solve it, it is 8 factorial, here 3 factorial, and 8 minus 3, it is a 5 factorial, okay. And if you find 8C5, then also you will get the same result. So we can say that NCR is equal to NCN minus R, okay. And now next, if NCP is equal to NCQ, okay, then either P is equal to Q or P plus Q is equal to N. It means if there is 10 CP, okay, and it is 10 CQ, it means P and Q are equal, or P plus Q is equal to 10. We will apply these result students in questions of exercise 7.4, okay. Now next, NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equal to N plus 1 CR. For this result, if there is 10 C4 plus 10 C3, okay, it is NCR and it is NCR minus 1. The result would be 11 C4, okay. Directly we can apply this result as a formula. Now move for exercise 7.4, question number first. Here, if NC8 is equal to NC2, find NC2. Okay. So here student, NC8 is equal to NC2. It means 8 is equal to 2, which is not possible. So it is false. It means 8 plus 2 is equal to n. So we get n is equal to 10. Okay. Now we can find 10C2. Okay. Since we required NC2, here n is 10. So 10C2 is equal to 10 into 9 upon 2 into 1. You will get 45. This application is easy student. Here 10C2 you can apply the formula. Okay. According to formula, it is 10 factorial upon 2 factorial and then 8 factorial. Okay. So you see that from the numerator 8 factorial will cancel and you will get only 10 into 9, and in the denominator it is 2 into 1. Okay. So directly we can write that 10 into 9 upon 2 into 1. If there is 2, it means backward counting 10 into 9 and in the denominator 2 into 1. If it is 10C3, then you have to write 10 into 9 into 8, and in the denominator it is 3 into 2 into 1. Okay. Now move for the next question. Question number 2. Determine n if 2nC3 ratio nC3 is equal to 12 ratio 1. Okay students, so first apply the formula 2nC3. It means 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2. Okay, backward up to 3 term, and in the denominator it is 3 to 1. Same as for nC3, you will get n minus 1, n minus 2, and in the denominator 3 to 1. Okay, and it is 12 ratio 1, right, as it is. Now we see that in this term 2n minus 2, to take common, and you will get 4n, 2n minus 1, here n minus 1 in the denominator if we write this in the ratio form. Okay, so this term will cancel, and here n minus 1, n minus 2, and it is 12 ratio 1. Okay, now n will cancel and n minus 1 will cancel to n minus 1, and you will get 2n minus 1 by n minus 2 is equal to 3. Okay, now cross multiply and solve the equation. You will get n is equal to 5. Okay, it is the required number. Now move for the next question. Question number 3. Okay, how many chords can be drawn through 21 points in a circle? Okay, so student, for a chord we require 2 points to joining. So a chord can be drawn by joining any 2 of the 21 given points. So required number of chords 21C2, means we have to select 2 points out of 21. Okay, now solve it. It is 21 into 20, in the denominator 2 into 1. You will get the answer. Now move for next. Question number 4. In how many ways can a team of 3 boys, 3 girls be selected from 5 boys and 4 girls? Students, we have to make a team. Okay, 3 boys out of 5 boys. So 3 boys can be selected out of 5 boys in 5C3 ways. Okay, and 3 girls can be selected out of 4 boys in 4C3 ways. So required number of ways of selection a team is, multiply these two terms, 5C3 into 4C3. Okay, for 5C3 student, 5 into 4 into 3, in the denominator 3 to 1. 4C3 or 4C1 will be equal. Okay, so here it is 4 only. Multiply this, you will get the answer. Question number 5. Find the number of ways of selecting 9 balls, okay, from 6 red balls, 5 white balls and 5 blue balls. Okay students, if Each selection consists of 3 balls of each color. So we need 3 red ball out of 6 can be selected in 6C3 ways. Okay, same as here, 3 white balls out of 5 can be selected in 5C3 ways, and 3 blue balls out of 5 can be selected in 5C3 ways. So required 9 balls can be selected in 6C3 into 5C3 into 5C3. So 6C3, 5C3 means 5C2. Okay, and same as here. Now solve it, you will get the answer. It is the 2000 ways. Next, question number 6. Determine the number of 5 card combination. Okay, out of a deck of 52 cards, if there is exactly one egg in each combination. Okay, you know that a deck of 52 card has 4 eggs and 48 other cards. Okay students, so one egg can be selected out of 4 in 4C1 ways, and 4 other cards out of 48 can be selected in 48C4 ways. So by multiplication principle, required combination 4C1 into 48C4, you will get 4C1 means 4, 48C4 it means 48 into 47 into 46 into 45. In the denominator it is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Multiply this, you will get the answer. Okay. The next question, question number 7. In how many ways can one select a cricket team of 11 from 17 players? Okay, in which only 5 players can bowl if each cricket team of 11 members includes exactly 4 bowlers. Okay, we have to make a team of 11 players. Okay, so out of 17 players, 5 are bowlers. It is given in the question. So remaining players are 12. Okay, and 4 bowlers out of 5 can be selected in 5C4 ways, and remaining 7 other players. Okay, since we require total 11 players, 4 we are taking bowlers, so 7 other players can be selected in 12C7 ways. Okay, now multiply this, so it is 5C4 into 12C7. 5C4 means 5C1. Okay, and here it is 12C5. If you don't convert this, then also you can find the correct answer, but it makes the question easy, calculation easier. Okay, now solve it, you will get the answer. Answer is 3960. Okay, now question number 9. In how many ways can a student choose a program of 5 courses if 9 courses are available? Okay, and 2 specific courses are compulsory for every student. Student means 2 courses are compulsory. A student has to choose only 3 more courses out of remaining courses. So required ways 7C3, 765 upon 3 to 1, you will get answer 35 ways. Okay, student, you solve these all questions in your notebook, illustrations also solve. Okay, if you find any doubts or query, you can ask me, message me, but you complete your whole work. Okay, unit tests are coming and you have to revise the all chapters, chapter 4, 5, 6 and 7. I have been completed these all chapters. Okay,